Hello there, I hope the weather is good to you wherever you are at the time. Like right now, John Okoye is my name, and I want to welcome you to Sound of Worship. Let's take some time to honor God and give Him the fruits of our lips. Can you just wave those hands to the Lord and say something beautiful to your lover? We love you, Lord. We love you, Lord. Oh, I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. You are great. Oh, yeah. None can match your might. You are great. Yes, you are. Oh, how great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. Oh, sing how great is our God. You've done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. Woo! If I have 10,000 tongues, still won't be enough. You have done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.